Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy a text from a photo on Android phone using Google Lens and Text Scanner. Okay, because I promised you in my previous video that I'm going to show you how to use third-party apps to copy a text from a photo. So let's get straight to it. So let's start with Google Lens. So you click on your Google icon on your mobile. Okay. Then you click on this photo icon. Okay. Then click on allow access. Now it will take you to your photo albums. You now check mark the photo that you want to copy text from. For example, let's use the same one we used in my previous video, this particular one. Then allow. Now click on the photo again. Yes, it has scanned the photo. Then you now click select. Right now the text on the photo has been selected. Okay, you can either click copy, okay, to copy the text, or listen to the text. You can play an audio of the text so you can listen to the text, or you click translate to translate the text to another language. Okay, so in this case we want to just copy the text, so you click copy. So from here now you can paste the text anywhere you want to paste it, or anywhere you want to use it. Maybe you want to send it to someone on WhatsApp, or you want to save it in your note, or anywhere. Okay, so this is how to copy a text using Google Lens. Alright, so let's see how to copy a text from a photo using Text Scanner. Okay, so let's check it out. And for those of you that don't have Text Scanner already on your mobile, so you can simply go to Play Store and search for Text Scanner. Okay, yeah, as you can see I have it already on my phone. So from here you can install it. Okay, so but I have it already, so all I need to do is just click open. Okay, then it will bring me to this place. Then I click on this photo icon here, and then select the photo that you want to copy text from. Okay, and click allow. Then click on the photo again. Now here you have two options. You can crop the image. Okay, maybe there are some part of it that you don't want to copy, or you don't want the text scanner to scan. You can crop them out, but if you're okay with it like this, you can just click scan. Okay, no, I don't need this. Now it's scanning the photo. Now yeah, it has completed this scanning. Alright, so now this is a text on the photo. Okay, from here you can either share. There is a share here at the top right side of the scanner. You can click share and share it with whoever you want to share it with, or you click copy. Okay, let me click copy. Yeah, as you can see, it has been copied. Okay, that is if I want to copy all the text. But if I want to copy just some of the text, you can select the part of the text that you want to copy. Okay, and drag it to wherever you want to copy. Alright, then you click copy. Then from here you can paste it to anywhere you want to paste it, or anywhere you want to use it. Alright, so that is it, friends. This is how to copy a text using Google Lens or Text Scanner. If you like the video, please do well to subscribe and share with your friends. And if you have any question, feel free to drop your question in the comment section, and I will be kind enough to answer you. Thank you.